Welcome back to the wonderful world that is my dining room. And no, we're not filming in my kitchen because it's dirty. In fact, it is the cleanest it's been in a very long time. No, I got this, shook. It's a big box today. Big dinnerly box today. There's still only 3 meals. But yeah, big box. So we're gonna take our handy dandy knifey knife. We're gonna open this thing and I'm gonna show you what we got this week. We have actually, by the way, before we take our knifey knife, guys, subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the like button if you like the video. If not, hit the little thumbs down button. Whatever. It's your prerogative. You're the one taking your time to watch this video. If you don't like it, you don't like it. Comment if you want to. No big deal. And also, I am not sponsored by Dinnerly in any way, shape, or fashion. So yeah, not sponsored by Dinnerly any shape, way, or fashion. We pay for our boxes. We actually cut ours down to once a month right now. Just sometimes we like to change it up a little bit. But yeah, I got a little ahead of myself when I was trying to cut this thing open. Now we may continue. So, like I said, 3 different meals in this box. I forgot what I picked out. I don't even remember if I went in and picked out. I think these are just 3 completely random ones. So, big box. Awesome stuff already. Alright, so there is stir-fry noodles. I'm guessing we're doing a stir-fry. We've got fresh ginger. We've got fresh cilantro. Looks okay. It wasn't really like warm today. We've got sugar snap peas or snow peas. We've got head of broccoli. Got some more ginger. We've got jasmine rice. I'm sensing an Asian theme here. We've got, this looks like teriyaki sauce. We've got tamari soy sauce. Some more jasmine rice. I'll get rid of my little separator. We've got ground cumin. For the meat, we've got skinless chicken breast. Boneless skinless chicken breast. We've got some more soy sauce. We've got salsa. So that throws a loop in the Asian department. We've got what looks like 2 packets of guacamole already made. That's nice and convenient. We have chicken breast strips. We've got another lovely bulb of garlic. And we've got some wild-caught shrimp. And it looks like that's everything. So, like before, I'm going to put these into groupings of what meals they go to, and I'll show you what we got. Okie dokie. So there was in fact 2 Asian dishes and 1 Tex-Mex, like Midwest, not Midwest. I don't know what, like New Mexico, that kind of place. So yeah, so we'll start from shrimp tempura and broccoli with steamed rice. And that is going to be, that's where we've got the broccoli, 1 of the packets of jasmine rice, 1 of the fresh ginger, the teriyaki sauce, the shrimp, and as always, the garlic, which does make an appearance in another one of the dishes. So there's that. The other dish that has the garlic in the appearance is the chicken and rice noodle stir fry. That's of course the stir fried noodles, the 2 packets of tamari soy sauce, the other fresh ginger, the snow peas, and the first packet of chicken. And this is the chicken breast strips. And that goes with that meal along with the garlic. Doesn't want to stay. Okay, so the last one is the grilled chicken and cilantro rice bowl. And that, of course, is the other packet of chicken. This is just the regular chicken breast. Just the regular chicken breast. We've got the 2 packets of the guacamole. We've got the ground cumin, the fresh cilantro, the other packet of rice because it's a rice bowl. And we've got the salsa because it's spicy. I don't know. So yeah. I'm super excited about all these meals. I can, in the description box, if you guys are on a macro journey, I won't discuss any of the macros or anything in the video. If you are interested in each of these meals, there are 2 portions per meal. So I'll have the calories, the macros listed underneath each meal plan if that's, you know, part of your journey. It's part of my journey. So that's what I'm going off of. But yeah, anyway, subscribe, like, or dislike, whatever you want. Leave a comment if you're interested in me making any of these. Again, it's the shrimp tempura and broccoli with steamed rice, the grilled chicken and cilantro rice bowl with salsa and guac, and then the chicken and rice noodle stir fry with snow peas. If you guys are interested in me making any of the meals, go ahead and leave a comment below, and I'll try to get it up as soon as I can. So yeah, there it is. Another dinnerly unboxing for the year of 2021. So yeah, we're halfway over, guys. We'll see you later. Bye.